how you can log in to your UN healthcare provider. Now, to do that, first open up your web browser and then just search for UN UHC care login. After you do that, you need to search for uhcprovider.com. Now, as you can see, the page loads up. So, after your United Healthcare page loads up, you can see and sign in option on the right side right here. Click on that and then click on sign in to a United Healthcare Provider portal. After you click on that, this page should load up right here. As you can see, there is a lot of options that says if you have forgotten your UN healthcare ID, or you've forgotten, or you have to create one, or you can manage one too. So make sure that you type in the correct ID or your email ID, and then after you've entered your correct ID, you will have to enter your password, and after you enter your correct password, you will be logged in to your United Healthcare account. So that is how you log in to UH care account. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.